Many vehicles use a timing chain in the engine to synchronize the rotation of the crankshaft at the bottom of the engine with the camshafts at the top of the engine. Pressurized engine oil forces the timing chain tensioner to push on the chain and keep it tight when the engine is running. It's important to keep your oil system clean by carrying out regular maintenance with the correct oil to prevent a buildup of sludge in the oil passageways. A sludge buildup can result in reduced oil pressure, which in turn can cause the timing chain to be slack. A slack chain will reduce engine efficiency, raise fuel consumption, and reduce engine power. Poor lubrication can also cause timing chains to become stretched, where the holes in the links become bigger. A slack or stretched timing chain will cause the valves to open and close at the wrong time, which causes weak explosions as a result of the wrong mixture of fuel and air. This results in reduced power and increased fuel consumption. A slack or stretched timing chain often makes a rattling noise at the front of the engine as the chain hits against the timing cover. Over time, this rattling results in damage to the cover and to the chain, potentially resulting in the chain breaking. A chain that breaks while the engine is running can result in the pistons hitting valves that are stuck in the open position, causing major engine damage. When replacing a stretched timing chain, the timing chain guides and tensioner should also be replaced to keep the engine running reliably and efficiently.